Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss what is a computer virus and how we can protect our computer against computer viruses. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a computer virus? How we can protect our computer? A computer virus is a type of malicious software that is designed to spread from one computer to another and cause harm to the system, steal sensitive information, or disrupt normal computer operations, according to Maimon, Roca, and Liechtenstein, 2010. Some common types of computer viruses include Trojan horses, worms, and ransomware. To protect your computer from viruses, there are several steps you can take according to Kaspersky's Lab 2019. These steps includes installing antivirus software, keeping your operating system and software up to date, using strong passwords, being cautious with email attachments, using firewall, and backing up your data. Additional, to protect your computer from viruses while browsing the web, you can use reputable web browser, enable pop-up blockers, be cautious of phishing scams, use a VPN or virtual private network, avoid unsecure websites, and use ad blockers, according to Kaspersky's Lab 2019. By taking these steps, you can help protect your computer from viruses and keep your personal information safe. The references that I use is Kaspersky's Lab 2019, How to Protect Your Computer from Viruses, 10 Tips retrieved from this website of Kaspersky. And then Maimon, Roca, and Liechtenstein, 2010, Data Mining and Knowledge Discovery Handbook, Springer. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on what is a computer virus, how we can protect our computer against computer viruses. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.